everyone. I hope you're having a great day. I am Carl Vincent Bernal, and today I want to share something that's all around us, even if we don't always notice it. The topic is globalization. So, what is globalization? For me, globalization means the world is more connected than ever. It's like we're all parts of one big group chat, sharing ideas, products, cultures, and technology across borders. One positive effect I've seen is how easy it is to connect with people from other countries. Through social media, I made friends from different parts of the world and learned about their cultures. It's really opened my mind. But there's also a downside. Sometimes we forget our own traditions because we're so focused on global trends. For example, I've noticed that some local festival or dances aren't celebrated as much anymore, especially among younger people. In my, in my personal reflection, being a responsible global citizen means respecting others, staying informed, and making choices that help, not harm the world. One thing I can do is promote sustainability. Try to reduce plastic use, recycle, and support eco-friendly products. It may seem small, but it's more people do it. It can make a big difference both locally and globally. Before I end this video, I leave with a quote that inspires me. Think globally, act locally. Let's do our part to make the world more united, respectful, and sustainable. Thank you.